Welcome to the Halverson Wood Products YouTube page. This is the HWP-140B and it's the flagship of the entire Halverson line. Overall, it's built stronger with 3/8" steel and a bigger, faster motor than the 120. You can cut up to 18 inches in diameter and between 1.5 to 2 cords per hour, all from the comfort of the seat of your skid steer. It comes standard with a 4-way splitting wedge, but you can purchase the 6-way wedge separately if you prefer that instead. Many of our customers have both. One unique feature to the 140 is the measuring device on the back of the table. This is where you can set the length of each cut and get close to perfect lengths for your wood stove, fireplace, boiler, or resale. To set the cut length of the log, you need to open the splitter tray all the way to the right. Under the lip of the tray, you'll see the metal bracket that is fastened by 2 bolts. Loosen those bolts and slide it towards the saw for shorter pieces or away from the saw for longer pieces. Then tighten the bolts and you're ready to cut. The table of the 140 is 12 inches wide and bent so the log rolls on smoothly and feeds through the splitter easily. Cutting crooked wood is less of a problem because the table is wide enough to hold and move the log just fine. The motor of the 140 is bigger and better than the 120 and it's located on the outside of the saw bar. This motor is the force behind the entire wood processor and gives you solid and steady cutting day after day. The 140 can attach to a variety of machines, from skid steers to tractors to mini excavators. Just be sure that your machine works on standard flow with a minimum of 15.5 gallons per minute and 2850 psi. It weighs over 1,500 pounds, so smaller excavators that weigh under 9,000 pounds won't be able to handle the weight. The 140 is 14-pin compatible for a quick and easy setup. It also works with the Bobcat 7-pin system if the skid steer has piloted controls and no foot pedals. You'll need our main cab wire harness kit if your machine doesn't have the 14-pin connection. Our main cab harness is universal to any brand regardless of age. It only requires a 12-volt power source like a cigarette lighter. For machines with steering wheels like tractors or front-end loaders, we recommend the joystick controller. It's best to give us a call to make sure that your machine will work with our wood processor. The legs are removable and the processor fits perfectly in a standard pickup bed for transporting and shipping. If you're processing for commercial use, the 140B is the machine for you. If you should have any questions, give us a call at 218-587-2065 or shop online at halversonwoodproducts.com.